Children cannot get tired. Ito yung isang lalaki, alaga ko. Adel? Okay, no problem. Stay there.
I get stopped.
Go, go.
So far.
So far. Leave your upside thing just go. Ako yung nag-trip, hindi yung nanay nila, grabe. Kahit meeting, kahit ano, grabe sila. Anti-Maytok Road. Ala, ang lamig. Grabe. Grabe ang lamig. Oof. You only have this jacket. You will be very cold later. Yung alaga ko lalaki, pogi din yun. Maitim lang siya. Ay, hindi naman sa maitim. Medyo. Oh, ayan. We are here now. We are here now. Oh, dito. Before we came here already. Long time ago. Maytok barbecue site. We came here already long time ago. Barbecue site.
You're making barbecue?
Maytok. Nag-overnight kami dito noon. Kasama ko yung mga naging unang amo ko. This LC, ayan o. Ala, ang lamig, grabe. Ang lamig. Yeah, eh. Ito yung lalaki. She's so used to in the girl. Yung lalaki. Hindi sila mag-iihaw kasi mga small bata pa itong sila. Small bata. Dito na kami dati, nag-overnight kami dati doon noon. Kasama ko yung mga unang amo ko. See? Ay, nakakamiss mag-barbecue.
This is marshmallow.
Yeah, you can do it there also.
I will.
I was here long time ago, overnight. Ang lamig noon.
And hot dog.
Before I was here with my first employer. We stay here full night.
What?
Yes, full night. Whole night we stay here. Barbecue.
Good night?
Put down niya.